Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about how to fix support.apple.com/iPhone/restore or this kind of error that is happening on your iPhone and how we can fix it. So let's get started. So first of all, the only one solution is you have to do a forced restart. So to do a forced restart, you have to press the volume up, then volume down. Press and hold the power button over there unless and until you see the Apple logo. So let me do it. Volume up followed by volume down. Press and hold the power button over here unless and until you see the Apple logo. Now when you see the Apple logo, you have to just release it, and all you have to do is just wait for the iPhone to get completely loaded up. And also keep in mind this, some cases this will happen for the first time when you're trying this. For some users, you need to try this multiple times. You have to keep on trying the forced restart, maybe twice, maybe thrice, or even more. Keep on trying. That is only one solution you have when you're having this issue. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. That's it. Bye.